Proof that Mark Golding was born in Jamaica. Hello, friends. SkyWalker here again. You know I come to shine some light. I am always here to shine some light. I am here to help those that are in the process of proving that Mark Golding was born in Jamaica. The evidence is very clear. We do have some information, and based on this information, we can form our opinions. I shall expose what we know about our fellow so called citizen. The fact that I had to say words like so called and alleged can be used as proof that Mark Golding was born here if you like. Everyone has a right to an opinion. We see Mark Golding in a kind of reaction formation technique using Barack Obama's name in a very rude and disingenuous way, which did in fact backfire. When he subtly claimed that Obama did not have to give up his Kenyanship, which we all know that Obama did not have in the first place, it was to appeal to the mass conscience. The fact that most Jamaicans were pro Obama and were upset about the unfair interrogations and accusations against him was spun by liar Golding as rhetoric for all those who would question his legitimacy as well. He expected the effect to raise empathy on his behalf. It was to draw you to think that you should not do to Mark what people did to your beloved Barack Obama. But don't we understand the psychology too? Now, the fact that Mark Golding had to be trying underhanded psychological tricks so hard and going so low on Obama is proof that Mark Golding was born here. Mark Golding does not prove his points with direct facts. He proves them by conjuring lies that create controversies, which create distractions. He is better at lying, so he fears that telling any truth will catch him red handed. This is how he learned to do, maybe by watching 007, Marky G, that British secret agent man. Only little children would believe him telling lies about sausages or lollipops. Honorable is just a word, right? But the fact that these are the only facts we have for a man who was actually born here is proof that he was born here, right? Golding is the only one who can't find his Jamaican birth certificate, which proves that he was born here. I mean, the fact that he can't produce it proves that he was born here. Golding is the only one who went to school and didn't have schoolmates or teachers. Maybe Duppy School. They must have had schools in cemeteries then. Or maybe it was not that. It was just a Duppy story. Maybe we don't know. We don't know. But it's proof that he was born here. Golden alone went to Sunday church and Sunday mornings without church brothers, church sisters, or even the pastor there. And Jesus never saw him there a single morning. Pastor never saw him and deacon never saw him. He alone went to the church of the invisible ghost. That is proof that Mark Golding was born in Jamaica. Golding never had friends or neighbors while growing up in Jamaica. Only him one did in a Jamaica. So now him a gone like the country after him. That is the biggest proof that he was born in Jamaica. Even the fact that Mark tries to sound like Jamaican and it doesn't come off is proof that he was born here. The fact that he tries to behave as if he was enriched by the culture, dancing to different dance moves, and it looks like a British white Bucky Massa man, is proof that he was born here. Siaga wasn't even born in Jamaica, and everything Jamaican was in Siaga. The fact that Golding appears like the impostor mimicking us is proof that he was born here and he is not just a British secret agent man trying to morph and assimilate. Mark came from England with a British passport, without a Jamaican passport, and without a Jamaican birth certificate because I must see England him born. That is proof that Mark Golding was born in Jamaica. So I hope that helps everyone. I apologize for ever calling Mark Golding Jam British when he was always Brit without the jam. The very fact that I just said, the very fact that I just said that is proof that Mark Golding was born in Jamaica, the Brit without the jam. My people, I hope this helps. Peace out.